What's up, guys? We got another. What's up, guys? We got another 2v2 tackle football game. Here are the teams: Connor and Hunter, and Asher and Keno. Say what's up, guys.
What's up?
They're singing. Well, it's gonna be a point of view where I got the phone and we throwing. Gonna be tackling point of view, so it's gonna look cool. Also, we don't have a cameraman. We need a cameraman to help us. All right, here comes the kick. Opening kickoff. Y'all ready?
Hunter, back up.
Keno. Playing tackle. Pick it up. Now return it. Ooh.
You were down?
Asher got lit up on that block. I don't know if I caught it or not.
Don't block.
Down. Go.
What?
Balls. Oh, Keno, right through your hands. That's all right. That's all. You're good. You're okay. It happens.
He ain't having kids.
The rule is if I yell at somebody, I gotta do 5 push-ups if it's not non-motivational.
That's football. He ain't having no kids. He's on this.
He's peeing. Okay.
Alrighty then.
Go.
Bully!
All right. Let's catch his tackle. Don't hurt each other though.
Don't be
play.
like
Back here.
Don't be like
Go.
Chancellor.
Keno, you're open. Oh, that's my bad. It's a bad throw. Good try. Second down. It's my bad. Ready. Go. Good catch. All right, you out of bounds. I thought it was a shed. Nope. I stopped it. It's my bad. All right, it's 2 patches of grass, my bad, and over there. We usually do the shed. Hey. Go. There you go, Keno. All right, he's down. Hey, you should have ran it for the touchdown. If you're open, don't crunch up like I told you to. Just go for the touchdown. Go. Good catch, Keno. Touchdown. Losers walk. Good play, boy.
That was for me, so I got it.
Hey, where's your touchdown celebration? No celebration? That's what I'm talking about. That was a good catch right there. Hey, look, come here. Game plan. Come here. Connor returns it. Light Connor up on the block. You make the tackle, okay? If you don't, I'll make the tackle. You got it? If Connor returns it, you take the block. Or you know what? I'll take the block if Connor returns it, okay? No, you take the block. We need me to make the tackle because Hunter's a big dude. All right, here it comes. I'm gonna bounce it. Bounce it. Get on Connor. Watch the flip.
Just kidding. Connor, get behind me! I'm
out of bounds. Why'd you run out of bounds?
Connor! You're so stupid!
I was telling Keno, get on Connor.
It's supposed to be lateral! Just kidding.
Good job, Keno.
Connor, just kidding.
Stay on Connor. Go. Ah, right through his hands.
Right through the hand. Huh? Make sure you catch this, Billy. It's something with the vertical. I tell you. No, bro, just throw it up.
Go.
That's all that.
Good catch.
My toe.
Make the tackle. All right, out of bounds.
Why did you try to touch him, dummy?
Hey, it's fine.
Where am I?
Hey, don't yell at each other like that. Y'all both doing good. Y'all are in the lead.
Let him get on, baby. Let him get on. Post.
Go.
Billy!
That's me.
I had a voice crack too.
My bad. Like he's walking out the first part, then he ran. It was hard for me to.
I just want to say,
You know, Dawn and them were coming over tonight, right?
Yeah. It's gonna be dark by the time they come over.
Go.
Come on, right here, touchdown! What's up,
Oh, he dropped it.
Billy? What's up, my boy? Billy. I'm gonna run.
Hey, let's try to hustle if we can, because I don't want to run out of space.
Billy, I'm gonna run 5 steps, cut back and jump. Watch.
I got you. Go.
Here.
Connor.
That should be interference.
Fourth down.
Standing right in front of
Fourth down. Fourth down. Go. Touchdown. Inbounds. All right, Lucas, walk. Good play. That's my fault on that post.
I wish you would try to block me again, Asher. What's the score?
Light him up, Asher. 7-7. Y'all ready? If you want us to do a 2-point conversion, you can. Here it comes. Well, no, 2-point conversions. Return it, Keno. Oh! All right, good run. You just juked out Hunter.
No, he didn't.
That's a run, Keno.
He didn't even do it.
That's what I'm talking about. What do you do, the electric slide? Go. Keno, you didn't even go for it. Come on, man.
You can't just stop in the middle of the field.
He's fine. Don't discourage him like that, bro.
Hunter,
Here.
it says PPAP. No one cares.
Here. I better hope I didn't turn it over. Cause then, go. I could call holding. Good catch, Keno. Out of bounds. All right, touchdown.
What? Yes, I can. 14-7.
14-7. You only scored once. 14-7. You scored once. Yeah, 14-7. He's 14-14. Take the block. Take corner. Take corner. Out of bounds.
Yeah, no, it's not.
All right, touchdown. 14-14. It's hard to tackle one hand. I'm just trying to push you to the ground. I don't want to pull you hard.
Hold up. Let's take a little break. Hey, wait. Hit him with a fist bump. Hit him with a noggin. Hit him with an invisible hat.
You're gay. Hey, look. Asher returns it. You take the block, you go for Asher. Keno returns it.
We all know Keno's
Listen,
going to return it.
you take the block, let Connor get the tackle, okay?
No, I'm just going to get this one. Let's go.
Turn it, Asher.
You go left, I'll take right.
Let's fumble. Good job. I tried to strip it, but I couldn't get it out.
I should have lit you up like Asher.
Go. Good catch, Keno. Get up. All right. He's down. He's down. No. Hey, he's football. You did good. Up. Meg. Go.
Good job.
Boom. Touchdown.
Stupid pole.
21-14. That score escalated quick.
My arm still hurts from that catch.
We're going to 28.
My back hurts when you elbowed me.
Sorry. He's coming.
No! Freaking chill! Oh my god! No, stop! Stay back. Stay back!
Keno knows what's up.
There we go.
Get Keno. Out of bounds. Good run.
Now, add the bounds over here.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Go.
The crap!
You're okay, Keno. I took my anger out on you. Oh! 21-21. Keno, you can blame Hunter for that. You're on defense. You're returning. Oh. Fumble. Go.
What? Just kidding.
Come on, Keno. All right, he's down. Good run. You're fine.
Guys.
You're fine.
Kitty.
Go. Touchdown.
Nice trip, dummy.
Uh-oh.
Nice hair, idiot.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, I want you to hold the camera on this one. Don't flip it. Don't flip it. You ready? Hey, you take the ball.
Take the block. He said.
Good run. Good run. Don't get back. Don't get back.
Okay, you can have your camera back. What did I just say?
What's the score? 28-21?
28-20.
Y'all score here, 28.
28.
Then we'll go to 35. All that. Go.
Here.
Then you're gonna try. Get him, Keno. I mean, Connor.
I can't get my own teammate.
Oh. All right. Here's the deal, y'all. There was a lot of emotions on the last drive.
Shouldn't be throwing the ball freaking halfway down the field.
Dude,
what can't I
then
get the
we
camera?
might not be able to use this video because the camera flipped over.
You gave the camera to Asher. I wish the phone would have broken. You gave Asher the
Yeah, that's
phone.
why I tackled you. So I want you to suck my peanuts and cucumber.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Oh. Hey, come on. I want you to hold the camera.
No.
Dang it. Will you hold the camera?
No.
Dang it. Don't hurt somebody, Hunter.
Why not? Hey!
Touch him.
Ow! Ow!
Dude, I thought you gotta hurt him. Hey, you okay?
I didn't freaking mean to do that.
It's okay.
Jesus.
You okay, Keno?
He's
Alright, get out. Let's call Hunt.
He's dead.
He's okay. He's got a little banged up. Watch out for that, bud. You okay? Hey, look at me. Look at me.
You're not okay. You are
Look at
not
me.
okay. Sit back
Look
down.
at my finger.
You're not okay. You're dying.
Hunter, get on Asher. He's fine. Keno, come here. Look at my finger.
Go back to
Look at my
sleep
finger.
and start.
Don't move your head. Move your eyes.
Fine.
You're fine? I just want to make sure. I want to make sure you ain't got a concussion. There's nobody on, Keno. Go. Keno. Oh! Go down. Please don't go down. Go down. All right. Good run. You're fine. You okay?
Yeah, it's not how you play football. I hate how that's like my last resort.
You sure?
Yeah. Huh? No, it's not. It's tackle. That's dirty.
Go. He said yeet. Oh! And I can call a flag on Connor for pass interference. I'm calling pass interference, but we're declining the penalty.
No pass interference. No.
That was easy pass interference. What are you talking about? He was pulling you to the ground. If you don't call pass interference on that, there's a problem.
Are you retarded, Connor? I got.
Go!
Just throw it, Asher. I just get the touchdown since Connor's so stupid. Connor's obviously lost his sanity. You've obviously lost your mind.
All right. 35. Dude, what's going on with the camera? Is that dark to y'all? I can't tell that. It looks dark on the camera to me.
Let me see. That's dark.
I don't know if it's going to come out in the video like that. Here, you record it.
Again?
Just a last little resort for tackling. How? Y'all still on this drive? It's overtime.
I absolutely knew that was going to happen. That was a little bit of Hunter, please tell me that's dark.
Yeah, ain't that dark to you? Look.
Tell me that's dark. Tell me that's dark.
I don't know if it's going to come out on video like that, but...
Hope it doesn't.
Ready?
Could be the daylight and shining on the
It
phone.
wasn't like that earlier. Go.
What are you doing? Get on the phone. Here! I'm on! Bro, are you freaking... I jump a football either way.
All right, it's a touchdown. All right, give me the ball
Stiff arm for the cause.
for an overtime. Overtime.
Stiff arm for the cause.
Call in the air, Hunter.
Spaces.
No one touch it. That's laces.
Ball first.
Ah! I got him to receive.
Please call me away.
Hunter. Hunter, you hold the camera. I'll hit him and fumble. Hit him and fumble.
No, right here. I can
You
make a
hold it.
fumble.
Hold it straight, okay?
Like that?
Hold it straight, just like that. Record me. Tackle him. Hey!
Guard up, guard
All
up.
right. If y'all make a touchdown, Y'all get a touchdown. Y'all win.
I don't know why he's playing zone.
Go.
Me neither.
Block, Keno. Keno, block Hunter. Out of bounds.
I did not.
Keno, you gotta make a block.
That could have been worse.
Asher, block Hunter on this play.
Why?
Go. Block. Good block. Don't stop, Keno. Oh, he's down. Come on, King. That was a touchdown. He just lost the yard. You're fine, though. Go. Hey. He dropped it.
Open.
Dude, he was.
He was open.
You're open at first. So I threw it to you.
You gotta look before you throw.
Go. Take a knee if you have to. Go down. Just slide. Just slide. Okay, good job. He got touched. He's down.
Drop. That's the first down too, right?
It's first down. Go. Keno. That's for Asher. Oh, Keno. Keno won the game. Good game, everybody. That'll be it.
Now they get a drive too.
And I'll see y'all. Y'all want to drive or y'all want to end
We're
it?
not playing that drive. Yeah, well, we want to drive.
Oh, you want to drive?
Sure, but if we score, we don't win.
Okay. Just a drive for fun.
Oh.
Here, hold it again. I need my last tackle. I'm going to make this one count. Don't flip the camera over there. Huh? All right, here it comes. I got it. I'll give you the ball.
Bitch!
Dude, I don't know what I did.
At least we got that.
Ow! He almost broke the tackle. You still on the drive?
Yeah.
Hey. Listen, you're breaking the tackle. I'm sorry.
I'm playing zone because I know it's a screen.
Go.
What is a screen?
Hey! That didn't work at all. Game's over. Asher and Keno win. Timbers flared up because I made a tackle. I don't know why. And I can't wait to watch the video because I don't know what's going on with the darkness or anything. That's game. Hope y'all enjoyed. I'll see y'all next time.